Alright guys, I do want to come on here and do a quick unboxing and review on my new portable jump starter. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go take a look at it. So just right off the bat, it does come in this hard carrying case so that we can just let it underneath your car seat, keep this nice and protected, and just have it with you at all times. Got the user manual for it right there. Type-C cable to charge it up. These are the jumper cables themselves. And then the actual portable jump starter. Oh, check it out. Very cool. So let's go ahead and actually power on. It's got the power button right here. As you can see, it does have an LCD display right here, so you know exactly how much battery it has. So that way, if you're going on a trip or anything like that, you know this is fully charged and ready to go. It's also got a small compass right here, as well as this will serve as a power bank as well. So we'll try out one of these ports here in a second to just test it out. But let's go ahead and actually hook it up. So right up here is where we're gonna put our cables. All right, so we'll go ahead and actually plug in our jumper cables right here. Just like that. As you can see, it lets you know that it's ready to go. So now all you got to do now is go ahead and hook it up to the battery, which my battery doesn't need a jump start right now at the moment, unfortunately, but it's literally that simple. Just hook it up right here, hook it up to your dead battery, make sure it's on, and then it'll jump start right up. So the other things that I wanted to show on here is it also does come with a flashlight. So if you just hold the power button, it'll go ahead and turn it on, and it does have different modes. So even if it's dark outside, you'll still be able to use this to navigate in here or just see in general. So nice to have right there. And then, like I said, it does come with 2 USB outputs and 1 Type-C input. So let's go ahead and actually try one of the USB ports. All right, so I got the charger right here. So we're just go ahead and hook it up here. Into the iPad. And as you can see, it's charging right up. So very, very cool and handy to have. All right, so there you guys have it. If you guys are looking for a 3-in-1 portable jump starter, power bank, and flashlight, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.